Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at the Samsung Galaxy A71. This is the version with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. The color of this A71 is black, or as it is the official name, Prism Crush Black. Now let's see what's inside the box. Here we have the usual paperwork, and I want to mention that this phone comes with a case. Every version of this phone comes with a clear gel skin case. Also on the box we have the super fast charging brick and a Type-C cable that is Type-C on both sides, and the earphones, the usual normal earphones from Samsung. Although I would love to see some AKG earphones on these boxes, because on a price that is above 400 euros, I think that we deserve to have an AKG earphones on the box. This is how your phone will look with the clear TPU case from the box, although I will not recommend to use that case because it's very soft, and in a case of drop I don't think that the case will protect your phone. Go and get a silicone case or a hard shell case for your phone. Looking at the back of the phone, we see that the phone has a plastic back. Now, in my mind, plastic means cheap, and for a price above 400 euros, I would love to see a glass back. But we don't have a glass back on the phone. We have a wonderful display of 1080p and it's Super AMOLED. Now, at 6.7 inches, Samsung has done a really good job. Now, it becomes even better when you go dark mode, but I prefer the normal mode, not the dark mode. Now let's go on about phone and see the software information. We have Android 10 on the device with One UI 2.0. Here we are on the device care, and we will see that from 8 GB RAM that this phone has, we have 4.7 GB available. So this phone is pretty snappy and is very fast. Also, we see that from 128 GB of storage, we have 104 GB free. With the animations being turned on at the speed of 1.0, we still see that this phone is very fast. Now let's open the camera settings here and let's go to rear video size, and we see that we don't have 60 frames per second, but still we can record up to 4K with 30 frames per second. Now, again, at this price point, I would love to have 60 frames per second. That's 1080p at least. Not at 4K, but at 1080p. But unfortunately, we don't have it, but we have super steady mode here on this phone. And this is a good feature when you're recording outdoors and you're walking basically, and your hand is not very steady. This helps you with the steadiness. But still, I would love having 60 frames per second and not having that super steady mode. But it is what it is. Now, let's have a quick comparison with the A51, quick size comparison. The A71 is just a little bit taller than the A51. If we look closely, we see that the main cameras are better on the A71. Basically, the A71 is the larger version of A51. Look at that punch hole cameras there. You can obviously see that the A71 has a larger sensor and a better selfie camera. Now, final thoughts of this device. It's concluded in only one word: overpriced. This phone is overpriced, and if it was me personally, I will not buy this phone, because at a price of just above 400 euros, this is not recommended. At that price, you can get a much more better phone, because not everyone needs quad cameras at 400 euros. At 400 euros, you need the best chipset available with a nice 1080p 60 frame camera. At least that is me. I don't know about you guys, but that is me. So I will end this video by saying thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.